Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. We're going to look at the main reason why you want to clean your fretboard, especially an open pore fretboard such as rosewood, ebony, this sort of thing. First, I'm going to pull this fret by scoring the sides here, right in the knee. This is a fairly dull point, so all it does is break the surface tension of the wood so that it reduces chipping. And I'm going to take my trusty end nippers here and go along quickly and pull this up. This is my preferred method of pulling frets on a rosewood board. Anyway, now that the fret's out, one thing you want to notice here is there's a certain amount of junk here along the edge of the fret slot. But just as important, look at what's going on underneath this fret here. Okay. Now this is not nearly as bad, believe it or not, as the previous ones I pulled, but we see signs of that's not wood, or so much as it is dirt and junk and rot and decay that has found its way underneath the fret, because there's, as much as you like to think that fret's tight to the board, there's still a little gap there. Moisture and stuff gets in there and causes the wood to rot and your frets to loosen up. And this is why you want to clean your fretboard, get tight into the crevices there, and condition it and try to keep it as clean as possible. Otherwise, these little things here, you will literally be able to pop them out. And I've done it before. I've had instruments in the past where they were so badly neglected, the fretboard had literally rotted underneath the fret. You could literally pop it out. Anyway, that's not nearly as bad as I've seen, but the lesson there is clean your fretboard, keep the junk to a minimum, and your instrument will have a longer lifespan, happier time for you and your playing. Okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks a bunch. Take care.